Hi everyone, this is Justine Camille Mallorca, and today I'm going to show you how to download a third-party application. Third-party application is an application that is provided by a vendor other than the manufacturer of the device. One of our example is Notepad++, and the default program used by the computer is Notepad. But today I'm going to show you how to download Notepad++. Just type Notepad++ in your browser. It will show you the link. Click the download. There, this is the download link and it will show you the latest version of Notepad++. And here, download the exe file of the Notepad++.